sure you can see the huge possibility for audio marketing and podcasting and just how it can help your business this year, 2015 and beyond. Now, as we covered in some of the videos, content marketing is the best type of marketing for you to engage your audience and get them to know, like, and trust you. Simply put, the more often you give valuable content and put it in front of your audience, the more likely they are to buy from you. And this is a great thing because it means you don't have to go out and market at people. You can give away great stuff, help people, and at the same time, you're gonna make more money as well. So we've already covered that. And as we also covered in the videos that you've seen so far, audio is literally the easiest type of content to create. So whether it's starting a podcast and getting in front of this huge audience and taking advantage of that opportunity, or whether it's making more audio content, doing interviews and turning them into content that you can share with your subscribers and your customers, audio clearly represents something that you should be doing in your business and something that absolutely can get you in front of a bigger audience and engage your audience better. And as Steve Jobs once said, the most precious resource we have is time. And when you're making the easiest type of content to create, you are being smart with your time. So let's go over to the presentation now, and I hope you enjoy it. The dashboard lets you set up new podcasts and automatically distributes them to the podcast networks and their millions of users in minutes with just a few clicks and no technical hassle. This gives you a direct and easy route to the mass user base of these distribution networks for the first time. You can even queue up content to be published automatically on a scheduled date in the future, putting your podcast distribution on autopilot. And if you already have a podcast, you can import it into Audello simply at the touch of a button. This gives you more power for your podcast than you've ever had before. After your podcast is set up, Audello immediately starts tracking your content with our industry-leading advanced analytics. No other product or service gives you as much detail in one place, breaking down audience engagement, interactions, audio heat maps, geographical data, and traffic sources. This means as you grow your audience, it gives you a full picture of exactly what they are doing, when they're engaged, and where they come from. This can dramatically improve your results. Our powerful desktop app for Mac or PC lets you record, upload, and publish new content with a few clicks. It also automatically integrates with Skype to easily record interviews and calls. Using our drag and drop audio player creator, you can customize audio players and playlists with viral features, social sharing, and more in seconds. We also have a powerful page creator that allows you to select from our pre-made templates and then add in buy buttons, text, images, opt-in forms, or viral commenting without having to touch a line of code. Our timed event creator allows you to add engaging call to actions such as opt-in forms, buy buttons, and viral gateways at specific times that you decide during your audio to persuade listeners to take action and captivate your audience. These features let you easily create entire audio products and pages that help you further engage your audience, spread your message, and generate subscribers and revenue with minimal time spent creating content. And on top of all this, you can split test anything you do to see exactly what's working best using our built-in A/B split testing. And with our iPhone app and Android to come, you can record and publish audio, interviews, and podcast episodes right from your device while you're out and about, wherever you are, whenever the opportunity arises.
It was a launch of pure faith because, again, I had no online presence. I had absolutely zero broadcasting experience. I'm collecting email addresses to the tune of about 100 to 150 per day because as a podcaster, you are an authority figure. You have credibility with listeners who know, like, and trust you.
It actually surprised me at how well it's done with how little work I've put into it.
My brand as the Incompressed blog really took off.
Prior to the show, I didn't have a lot of exposure of who is Brad, what's he all about.
We've done over 9 million downloads to date.
I managed to turn just an idea into now multiple six-figure a year business. You put yourself in a position as like the leader, as an expert, when no one knows you.
The audience members have just really shown up. I've done surprisingly little in the way of really marketing the show.
That first year, I think we generated just under $30,000. The second year, now we're over $180,000. By the end of the year, it's going to be well over $200,000.
And I've been able to create a business that now generates over $2.5 million in revenue on an annual basis.
If it weren't for podcasts, I don't think I would have gone as far as I've done. I got to thank podcasting for coming into my life and career.